Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to enjoy a very interesting story. The story is about a man and his two daughters. Here are the highlights of today's lesson. First, I will introduce you to the characters of the story. Once you get to know the characters, I will discuss the whole story with you using a timeline. After discussing the story, we will talk a little about the conundrum of the lesson. Just so you know, a conundrum is a confusing question that is difficult to answer. Once we are discussing the conundrum, we will then move on to discuss the exercises of the lesson. Okay, as you can see here, there are three characters involved in the story. The first character is a man who has two daughters. The second character is the man's elder daughter who is married to a potter. The third character that you will find in the story is the man's younger daughter who is married to a gardener. Moving on with the story, as you can see here, I have made a timeline showing the important events taking place in the story. The first thing that the story tells us about are the characters. There is a man who has two daughters. The elder daughter is married to a potter, while the younger daughter is married to a gardener. One day, the man visits his younger daughter, who is married to a gardener. The daughter is happy to see him but worried because it hasn't rained for some time, and she is afraid that that if the dry season continues, her husband's plants will dry out and die. The man's daughter asks her father to pray for rain so that the plants may survive, otherwise, they would have to suffer from poverty. The man promised his daughter that he would definitely pray for lots of rain and then leaves to visit his other daughter who is married to a potter. When the man visits his elder daughter, he finds her in good health and comparatively happy with the weather. The elder daughter, who is a potter's wife, tells her father that her husband's business is doing very well because of the hot weather. This is because the hot sun quickly dries the clay pots that he makes, and people from far and wide come to buy his pots to store water in them, because water kept in clay pots stays cool. The elder daughter then asks her father to pray that there is no rain in the future, so that business stays good and her husband continues to sell lots of pots. When the man is on his way home, he is confused about what to pray for. He is worried for his younger daughter, but if he prays for rain, then the elder daughter will suffer because her husband's pots will not be able to dry. But if he prays for the dry weather to continue, then the younger daughter will suffer because her husband's plants will die. Now, here is a question for you to think about. What do you think the man should pray for? Now that we are done with the story, let us discuss the conundrum here. This story tells us that the same situation can affect every person in a different manner. The elder daughter was happy with the dry weather, but the younger daughter was suffering because of it. Therefore, we must always try to consider the situations that other people might have to face before we wish or pray for something. Here are some difficult words from the chapter. I want you to find their meanings in a dictionary and make sentences in your copies. Here are questions of exercise Learn to Read 1 from your book. I want you to attempt these questions in your copies. As you can see here, I have included a snapshot of the Learn to Write exercise in your Oxford Broadway book. I want you to attempt this exercise in your copies. You can use the words written here to fill in the blanks in the paragraph on the next slide. You can also use words of your own to fill those blanks. Here is the paragraph that you have to complete. Make sure you look at the picture carefully before you attempt the exercise. Your homework is to complete exercises A, B, and C in your copies.